A great way to build your confidence is by paying someone a compliment, but accepting compliments or praise from others builds your confidence even more. Sadly, most of us find this really hard to do because in almost every culture, you're raised to be modest. Self deprecation, which is the same as self criticism, is acceptable and admired in most cultures. If you praise yourself, you're likely to be judged as being full of yourself or arrogant or blowing your own trumpet. That's why we feel uncomfortable about accepting praise from others. When someone pays you a compliment, for example, someone tells you how much they love your shoes, instead of going off about how old they are and how you've had them for ages or how they cost only a fiver in Primark, say thank you very much. And if you must add some extra information about the object of their praise, your shoes or handbag or outfit, say something positive. So you can say, thank you, I really love the color or design, and then pay them a compliment, only if it is genuine and comes from your heart. You are not obliged to return their compliment. Learning to accept praise from others will help you to see yourself in a more positive light. Accepting that there is something worth being admired about yourself will boost your self-esteem and your self-confidence. The more you accept praise from others, the more the amazing qualities hidden within you will shine through. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find more of my motivational videos for young people. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Take good care of you and see you next week.